I welcome you all for the today's video lecture on packages in Java. Packages are containers for classes. They are used to keep the class name space compartmentalized. Packages are stored in a hierarchical manner and are explicitly imported into new class definitions. A package in Java is a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, subpackages, and interfaces. A Java package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces, and subpackages. Packages are divided into two categories: built in packages, user defined packages. The built in packages are packages from the Java application programming interface, and the user defined packages are your own created packages. Packages are used for preventing name conflicts. For example, can be two classes with name employee in two packages: college.staff.csc.employee and college.staff.w.employee. Java package is used to categorize the classes and interfaces so that they can be easily maintained. Java package provides access protection. Packages can be considered as data encapsulation. To create a package is quite easy. Simply include a package command as the first statement in a Java source file. Any classes declared within that file will belong to the specified package. The package statement defines a namespace in which classes are stored. This is the general form of the package statement: package, package name, semicolon. Here, package is the name of the package. For example, the following statement creates a package called my package. Package, and we add the name near to that. Keyword package, semicolon. So here I have a sample program. Here I have the package my pack and the programming code following it. So now how to access packages? There are three ways. One is import package dot star semicolon and import package dot class name semicolon and fully qualified name. The third one. How to access packages using import package dot star to access all the classes of package. Simply you write package pack 1. Now we have imported all the things under pack 1 here into this program. And then how to access packages using import package dot star. This is to access all the classes in the package. Just add you import pack dot star for importing all the classes. That is both the sample 1 and the sample 2 of the classes. Then the third one is to access the import pack1 dot sample. Only the sample class will be imported. Using fully qualified name to access a class in package pack1, here no need to use import package statement. Just you simply add the package and package 2 and you write the coding. Built-in packages. The Java API is a library of pre-written classes that are free to use, included in the Java development environment. The library is divided into packages and classes, meaning you can either import a class, single class, or a whole package that contains all the classes that belong to the specified package. To use a class or a package from the library, you need to use the import keyword. Syntax: import package dot name dot class. This is for importing a single class, and for importing the whole package you need to add star. That follows import package dot name dot star semicolon. Important packages in Java, we have several built-in packages. For example, when we need user input, we import a package like this: import java.util.scanner. Here, Java is a top level package, util is a sub package, and scanner is a class which is present in the sub package util. Some of the commonly used built-in packages are java.lang, java.input output, java.util, java.applet, java.awt, java.net. Java.lang contains language support classes, example classes which defines primitive data types, math operations. This package is automatically imported. Java.input-output contains classes for supporting input or output operations. Java.utility contains utility classes which implement data structures like linked list, dictionary, and support for date time operations. Java.applet contains classes for creating applets. Java.applet contains classes for creating applets, and Java.awt contains classes for implementing the components for graphical user interfaces like button, menus, etc. Java.net contains classes for supporting networking operations. Thus, coming to the end of the session, and thank you all.